What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you a great alternative tweak to iGameguardian tweak. This tweak has the same function as iGameguardian tweak and will allow you to hack many games easily. If you have downloaded iGameguardian and it didn't work for you, don't worry. In this video I will show you an alternative tweak. This tweak is iGameguard. Alright, as you can see here, this is the tweak. Now I will show you how to download it step by step. The first thing you will do is open Cydia. Go to the sources here. Now here add this source, iOS repo. After adding the source, open it. Go to utilities. Here you will find only one tweak, which is iGameguard tweak. Now all you have to do is just install this tweak. I've already installed the tweak, so I will not install it again. After installing the tweak, guys, go to the home screen and you will find the icon of the tweak on the home screen. Okay, now open the tweak. Now here all you have to do is just enable this tweak in the games you want to hack. I will enable this tweak in my game. Just enable this button here. Alright, I will show you now how to use this tweak. It's very simple to use it. As you see here, this is my game and I will hack it with this tweak. Now go and open the game you want to hack. Once you open the game, you will find iGameguard icon here. Alright, as you see here guys, I have 0 diamonds. Now I'm gonna play the game a little bit to get some diamonds. Now I have 58 diamonds. Now I will open iGameguard tweak. Here choose a new search. Here choose exact search. We will choose exact search because we know the value we have here, which is 58 diamonds. Alright, here now type the number of the diamonds you have. Here I have 58 diamonds. Now press search. Wait a few seconds and you will get a lot of results. Alright guys, there are more than 10,000 results. Now you need to change the number of diamonds you have in order to get a few results. So I will play the game again to get some diamonds. Alright, as you see, now I have 78 diamonds. Go back to iGameguard tweak. Here click refine search. Click exact search. Now here change the number of diamonds you have. Previously I had 58 and now I have 78. Okay, I will type 78. Press search. Now you should get a few results. As you see, I have 8 results. Always guys, make sure you get 3 results or less. I will play the game to get some diamonds, and this is in order to change the number of diamonds I have in order to get a few results. As you see, now I have 108 diamonds. I will go back to iGameguard tweak. Click refine search again. Click exact search. Now change the number of diamonds to 108. Previously I had 78 diamonds and now I have 108 diamonds. Now there are only 2 results and this is what's needed. I will change the first result. Now I can edit the number of diamonds I have and write any number I want. Okay, I will type 998899. Now I will change the second result. Make sure to write the same number in the 2 results, otherwise the game may crash. Make sure to write the same number. Now go back to the game and see the magic. Boom, as you can see, now I have 998,899 diamonds. Now I have diamonds with the same number that I wrote. You can change the number as you want and write the number you want. I will change the number again. As you see, I changed the number to 999 only. I will change the number again. This tweak is great for hacking games and changing value within games, and it's similar to iGameguardian tweak. This tweak is completely free and you will find the source below this video. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Peace.